Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can sync your ClickUp account with your Google Calendar. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in ClickUp on our dashboard. On the top right hand side, we are going to look for our profile picture. This will give you a drop down menu and we're going to come down and look for settings. All right, so once we've hit settings, we're going to come to the left hand side and here we will travel all the way down and you'll see integrations and Click apps. Now what we want to look for here is App Center. Once you've clicked on this, you will see all of the categories of your apps that you can connect here. Now, quite simply, we can look for calendars or we can go and search for calendars up over here. So let's go and click on calendars and you'll see Google Calendars right here. Once you click on it, it'll ask you to create a personal connection. This will be a connection for your Google Calendar for only you as a ClickUp user. Now, if you want to use the workspace connection right now, in my region, it is not supported, but in some regions it's supported, so you can actually sync your Google Calendar with your entire workspace and every member within your workspace. Let's go ahead and click on connect. It'll now just want to verify that you have access to that calendar and it is really your calendar. Go ahead through the process, just say continue. And just mark this off over here. This will allow ClickUp to see, edit, and share, and also permanently delete calendars within here. And this is not ClickUp, but this is you as a user within ClickUp. So don't be worried about that whole thing there. Over here, it says if Google Calendar does not sync, you can just click on that button. But over here, it says you're done. You have two-way sync to your Google Calendar and your ClickUp account. You can sync tasks and your calendar. You can launch your meetings. It's got real-time sync. It also supports automations. It's got the AI note taker and it also got a bunch of other tools. You can go ahead and say done and it is connected. Now, of course, if you'd like to disconnect, you can just use the three dots and say disconnect, and you can even connect another Google Calendar if you would like, if you have multiple Google Calendars within that account.